This is the Razer mano'war 7.1 surround sound headset, and today I will be giving you my review of these headphones. The price of the headphones are around $160, although as you can see, they are usually discounted on Amazon. The headphones come in wired and wireless variants, and they each have a limited green and also black color. The 55mm drivers are similar to other Razer headsets we have seen, although the mano'war may be the best option. The mostly plastic design of the mano'war is slightly disappointing, although it doesn't feel too cheap. The glossy finish on the inside is a nice contrast to the matte black on the outer shell. The Razer name has been printed on the top, and it blends well and remains minimalistic, unlike other headsets we have seen. Overall, the design of these headphones are great and surely worth the price. The braided cables connecting the headphones are nice, although they don't quite seem too strong. They should be adequate. A volume changer and mic mute are also connected to the cable, but I've noticed that accidentally hitting the volume scroller is very common. A great feature about these headphones is that they can be used on all devices. The headset can be plugged into Xbox, PlayStation, computers, and even mobile devices. A dongle is included for the PC though if you want to access the surround sound capabilities, which do not work on Xbox, PlayStation, and mobile. Speaking of surround sound, the free Razer Synapse software is great for your new headphones, since it allows you to control and set the surround sound to your preferences. You can also change up the quality and volume of the headphones in software. The sound quality of the mano'war is actually very good and is great for any sort of game. They do seem slightly bulky though, but the headphones are very light and fit well on most heads. You can probably game with this all day before feeling a bit of strain. The retractable mic on the mano'war is great and remains flush with the headphones. I'll now be giving you guys a mic test of the Razer mano'war. So this is just a quick mic test of the Razer mano'war 7.1 surround sound edition. The mic sounds actually surprisingly good for at least from my perspective. What do you guys think of the quality? Would you invest in this audio quality for your headphones? I don't know, it's up to you. But to me, the audio mic quality sounds great. As you guys can see, the Razer mano'war is a solid pair of headphones for any gamer out there. With all the cool features, connectivity, and quality, these are one of the best gaming headsets you can buy, and I highly recommend it. Subscribe to this channel if you aren't already to see more tech reviews just like this one, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.